Hello. This is my project for BED-CA2. So when you first log in, when you first enter the site, it shows my index.html, where you can press the sign in button. And when you do, it'll show you the login page and the register page, both of them as well. If you try accessing like the other links later shown, like home page, there will be a localhost error that detects that you have no token and kicks you out immediately. Okay, so let's start as a new user. Let's say I want my username to be arrowstar123, and I'll put my email as arrowstar123@gmail.com. Okay, so for my password, I will be putting password. If it's wrong, if the passwords are not the same, they'll detect that passwords do not match. And if the password is too short, it will also say that you need at least 6 characters. Password. Okay, so after logging in, it will send me to the home page, where as you can see, I have no pet, hence it's stated as loading. So there's other features here. Then yeah, this is my home page. And since I do not have a pet yet, let's go adopt one. So by pressing this button, I'm sent to this URL, pets.html, where I'm able to see the different lists of pets that I can choose from. So the pet that I want to go for is maybe the speedy squirrel. And super fast squirrel. That'll be my pet name. So I can adopt it, and now you see my pet is super fast squirrel, and then it shows the level and experience. So let's go back to our profile for now. So now as you can see, I have a pet. Instead of just loading, it's just a pet that I have. And then it also shows the species of the pet, which is a speedy squirrel. And now I cannot feed any pet. I cannot feed any food because I do not own any. So let's get some. But in order to get these foods right here, like it costs 50 points, 100 points, 25 points, all these points are, you can get these points by completing the challenges. So let's complete some challenges. Let's see what challenge I want to do. Let's do this challenge. How about hold me out? Assist someone without being asked. So by doing this, if I go all the way to completed challenge, it has stated that I have completed the challenge. It shows a list of challenges I've basically completed. Okay, so let's do a few more challenges, get some points. Okay, as you can see, my points have updated. And I am also given the feature to create my own challenge. So let's do one. Make someone happy, exclamation mark. Do something nice. And I can list the amount of points that I can give. Points reward is 100. Let's do that first. So if you go all the way below, it shows the challenge that I've created as well as a feature to delete it. So I can delete it, but for now I will not. I'll create one more in case. Do something fun. 1 point. I'll demo the deletion with this. So if I delete it, say challenge is deleted successfully. Okay. So now that I have 60 points to my name, let's go to the shop. So in the shop, right, I can purchase a few foods. So let's purchase one deluxe dinner. And when I press OK, it shows that the owned value has gone up by 1. So let's buy another one. Let's do. So if I go back to the profile page where I can feed my pet, I'm given the option to feed these two now, based off my shop from earlier. So let's feed it the basic kibble. And you see that there's a message saying that I fed it, as well as my EXP bar going up. So let's feed another. See? Pet fed and leveled up. Now it's level 2 with 80 experience points. And now if I refresh the page, I'm now 14th in the leaderboard instead of just 20th. I have 80 points to my name, and yeah, that is 14th. Okay, so after getting some points, I also can see the guilds. I want to join one. So let's see. There are a bunch of different guilds that have been listed. So let's see. Let's join the Nocturne Ascension. And if I press view all guilds, it shows the different people as well as the owner in the guild. So there's Aerostar497, Darius Hand, and other people. So let's join their guild. In my guilds, I'm given the option to either join or create my guild. Let's start by creating a guild first. Okay. Wait, yeah. Okay, never mind. Let's just do a join guild first. Okay, so Nocturne Ascension, let's join this guild. If I mistype it, if I've done a typo or no guild exists, I'll be given an error message that says Nocturne Ascension has not been found. So I have to type exactly the guild name. It says I have joined this guild, and after pressing OK, I am shown that I'm in this guild, Nocturne Ascension, with a very brief description and the owner of the guild. It also shows the owner of the guild. I'm also given the ability to leave. So let's leave. And after I left, I left the guild lah. So I can join it back for now. And if I go to Nocturne Ascension and refresh it, the points have gone up from 1140 to 1220. Okay, for users, I'm also able to see a bunch of different other users that are in the database. So I can scroll down and see I'm ID number 20. This is me. And if I want to view like other people's profile, let's view this guy, 479 points. Okay, so it shows the guild name, the guild he's in, the points, and his pet information. That's very interesting. And on the right side, on the left side is just like the player leaderboard. It shows the different people in the leaderboard and guilds. Okay, so let's try joining from another account. Let's exit. And we go to arrow star 497. Password is password. Okay, so after logging in, this account is the owner of the guild that I've joined earlier, Nocturne Ascension, where I've been given where my permissions have changed. From instead of leaving the guild, I've been given the permission to transfer ownership or disband the guild. If I press disband, it will ask, do you want to permanently delete this guild? Which I don't want to. I'll transfer ownership to the account that I've just created. So let's do that first. Arrow star 123. So ownership has been transferred. And now I've been given the ability to leave the guild. So if we go back to all guilds now and find Nocturne Ascension, it will show the new owner of the guild, which is arrow star 123. And that's about it. If I try creating a guild while I'm already in a guild or trying to join one, let's try creating a guild. Super Pro Guild. Exclamation mark. This is cool. And if I try creating a guild, it says the user's already in a guild. If I try joining another guild that does not exist, they'll say guild is not found. Yeah. And I think that's about it. Yeah. So that's all. Thank you and bye bye.